This is the brief on agentic AI. So we're looking at this system called SAPOR. It's an AI designed to solve that daily struggle of, what to eat. But here's the really wild part. The AI doesn't just give you recommendations. It actually builds and runs most of the product all by itself. Okay, so let's break down what makes it so, agentic. First, this isn't just some sophisticated chatbot. It's a whole autonomous system. It uses a team of specialized AI agents that work together. One pulls recipes, another analyzes nutrition. They coordinate and manage the entire operation with no human oversight. That's agentic AI in practice. The second crucial thing here is personalization, and it happens across three core areas at once. It considers your taste and mood, like are you feeling adventurous or do you just want comfort food? Then it targets your specific health goals, whether that's high protein or low carb. And it even factors in your budget and location, surfacing nearby restaurants using real-time info, all filtered by price and your dietary rules. And finally, the whole system is built to constantly learn. SAPOR actively uses your feedback, so whether you like, dislike, or even just tweak a suggestion, it remembers. That feedback is stored and used to update the model, so over time, it genuinely learns your evolving tastes. SAPOR really shows how agentic AI is moving from just a concept into a real end-to-end system that actually helps with our complex daily decisions about food, health, and cost.